Welcome back. Habit of dumping garbage without segregation can land offenders in jail or may have to pay a penalty. Under Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Bill 2014, an offender individual or company has to pay a fine of 5,000 rupees with 1 month imprisonment to the owner of residential house and 25,000 with imprisonment for a period of 6 months to commercial establishment. Tourism and Transport Department will also face heat if found guilty.
During Assembly session in August, Environment Minister Alina Saldana tabled the Goa Non-Biodegradable Garbage Bill 2014, seeking that it would be the duty of the owner and occupier to collect, segregate the non-biodegradable garbage generated within their place and store securely until it is handed over to the local authority. For residential houses, the bill has proposed to impose fine of Rs 200 for the first time offence, Rs 5,000 for the second offence and Rs 25,000 or imprisonment for a term of 1 month, or it can be extended to 6 months. In case of commercial establishment, a fine of Rs 2,000 for the first time, Rs 5,000 for second offence and 25,000 or imprisonment for term of 6 months. Authorities from Solid Waste Management Cell say, due to lack of machinery, collection of garbage was not done properly and part of penalty was not implemented. But now 131 panchayats, 11 municipalities and 94 schools are collecting the garbage. Remaining will be covered soon. Those who are left will be covered within remaining time.
Notification is already, but we have written to all the panchayats, everybody. But before that, you remember, we had gone ahead and meeting with all the panchayats, all the municipalities with Chief Secretary.
Cell may also impose fine on tourists who throw garbage on the roads.
We also want to rope in the department, the tourism department, so that people who are visiting here are sensitized.
Every month, nearly 87 tons of solid waste is collected by the cell and transported to the cement companies. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Indian Army soldier Azad Singh has created a new world record in travelling the farthest distance while balancing a football on the head. The Goa-based Naib Subedar of 2 STC walked for 45.64 kilometers, shattering the old record of 15.2 kilometers held by Bangladesh's Abdul Halim. Azad Singh's record will make its way to Guinness Book after certain formalities are completed.
It was a grand occasion for the man from Jhunjhunu in Rajasthan as Naib Subedar Azad Singh embarked on a world record mission on the Vijay Diwas in the early hours of Tuesday. The expectations and the excitement was there for everybody to see as his army colleagues set up this facility to track every minute of his record-breaking journey. The route was well planned and a minimum of 43 kilometers was the target to mark the 43rd anniversary of the liberation of Bangladesh. Azad Singh walked along the Dona Paula to GMC Road while the start and finish points remained the 2 STC headquarters landmark building in Panji, clocking a total of 45.64 kilometers under 8 hours.
45.64 का ये रिकॉर्ड मैंने बनाया है। हवा बहुत चल रही थी और बॉल में आपको पता ही है वेट ज़्यादा नहीं होता, तो बहुत समझ के चलना पड़ता है ऐसे जगहों में, क्योंकि हवा जो साइड वो है वो अपर है, पूरा जो यूनिवर्सिटी रोड है वो अपर है और वहाँ फुल हवा लगती है, तो हवा की वजह से मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्टी आई थी। कि आगे मेरा एक और गिनीज बुक का रिकॉर्ड अभी आगे करूँगा, मैं साइकिल पे फुटबॉल रख के चल रहा हूँ।
Earlier this year, Azad had cycled for 103 kilometers with a bottle balanced on his head for the Limca Book of Record. He aims to stretch that record into the Guinness Book by pedaling more in the near future.
With video journalist Chetan Gawas, this is Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.